What's going on YouTube? Crypto Chris is back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to find those 10x to 100x gems. I'm going to be showing you guys my method and what I use, okay guys? So this, once again, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. This is just what I use, and this is how I am able to find these 10x to 100x gems. So first things first, I would go to this site called Lunar Crush, right? Once I'm in this site, guys, I would hit the search bar. I would see the top 10 trending. Once I'm able to find out the top 10 trending, I would then click a coin, right? So let's go to Theta. I would look at the market cap. The market cap is 14 billion. For me personally, if I'm going to invest in a coin, as of right now, that is too high. That doesn't mean I don't think that is a good coin. It just means that 10x to 100x has already happened, right? I'm trying to find those coins that are going to do this price action, this market cap before it happens, okay? So then we would just keep going down. So there's a coin like Veracity, there's a coin like Cody, right? So let's just click Cody for example. So right now it's trending. Right now I would look, okay, why is it trending, right? I would look at the market cap, I would look at the change. So then once I'm here, I'm gonna say, okay, is this coin worth it for me? Next, then I would go to coinmarketcap.com. I would type in Cody. Then I would see where it ranks. Right now it's ranked 140, so that means it has room to grow. Then I would click market. Once I'm in market, guys, I would see if Cody is listed on a lot of exchanges. If Cody is listed on a lot of exchanges, that means it has a better chance to grow, okay? So if it's in Binance, if it's in BitThumb Global, if it's on KuCoin, if it's on Gate.io, that means that a lot more people are able to access Cody and potentially be new investors into Cody, guys. If people are on these exchanges already, that just gives them a chance to buy, right? So if a coin is, sure, it can be low market cap, but if there's not enough exchanges, the coin's not going to go anywhere, guys. It needs to be listed on Binance and Uniswap and BitThumb Global, Gate.io, KuCoin, because those are prime time exchanges, which means people can buy them there, right? It's the more available it is, the easier it is for the price to grow in my opinion, right? So then once I'm here, guys, say I like Cody, I looked at the markets, I looked at the rank, I looked at the market cap. Now what I would do is type in Cody here. Once I'm here, guys, I would look at the action. So this week it's up 34%, right? This month it's up 155%. In 3 months it's up 1,000%, guys. So once I know that it's trending in the upward direction, then you realize, okay, is that a good sign that it's going to keep growing? In my opinion, yes, right? If it's up every month, every week, and every 3 months, right? It's been going up. What's stopping it from keep on going up, right? So then once I do that, I would be like, okay, is Cody right for me? Market cap? Sure, maybe. I'm not gonna personally invest in Cody as of right now. I have invested before and I have made gains. Doesn't mean I won't invest even more. Cody's market cap is a little bit too high for me, but it could still potentially 5 to 10x, right? Cody's a good coin, guys. I'm not saying it's not a good coin. I would be looking into something like Veracity, right? Veracity is 65 million, which means that it's not even close to Cody, right? As far as market cap, which means it has more room to grow, okay? But if you're looking for a safer bet, I would go Cody. If you're looking for a little more gamble bet, I would go Veracity, right? Will I probably eventually buy Cody? Yeah, of course. I've had Cody, sold it, made profit, etc. Right? So I like Cody. Cody's a good coin in my opinion. Then once I know it's on all these things, right? Then I would go to a site called CoinMarketCal. Once I'm in CoinMarketCal, I would look for things that are trending, right? So I would just keep going, keep going. So for instance, Cody, it says 31st of March, right? I would click A to pay on Shelly mainnet, and look, it's Cardano mixed with Cody, right? So they're doing something. They're doing A to pay on the Shelly mainnet on March 31st or earlier, right? A lot of people have voted. There's a 96% chance of confidence that this is going to happen, right? So that reflects the Cody price. So this is the reason why Cody is also going up, because people know this is happening, okay? So they're getting it early. So you always want to get it early on the news before other people, right? So if you have a coin that you like, so for instance, I like Smart Key, right? I actually really do like Smart Key. I am an investor in them, right? I have invested before as well. So their white paper's coming out the 25th. I'm going to look at what the white paper says. If it's anything good, I'll buy more, right? So they're coming out with smart NFT technology. Okay, cool. Now, another telltale sign if a coin's going to be going trending or not, believe it or not, guys, is actually Twitter. So, say I'm here, right, guys? Now, let's check Cody. So I would just type in Cody with a dollar sign, go to latest. Look, you see people are talking about it that it's number 3 or whatever. What is it? Number 9 on Lunar Crush. See? And you would just go through the dollar signs, see what people are saying, right? I would just go through it. If people, a lot of people are showing charts, a lot of people are saying, you know what to do, buy the dip, and a lot of big a lot of big accounts are saying these things, there's typically a good chance it's going to go up because a lot of these big accounts influence people, guys. Right? Look at this guy, Crypto Trade, Cody, $15. Let's click his account. He doesn't have anything, right? So I'm not going to believe him. But if a big account says it, that would have a little bit more validation in the people's eyes. So if people believe that, you want to hop on it early and maybe catch a little bit of that wave, right? So guys, basically I'm just telling you guys how I am able to find these coins, what I do. So I go on Lunar Crush, look up a coin, Veracity, then I would go, I'm gonna show you guys again, VRA, hold on, VRA, see the price trending, see the markets, Veracity's on KuCoin, etc., right? It's on the good exchanges, Probit, Uniswap, Gate.io, KuCoin. Then I will go once again here, VRA, Veracity, same thing, guys. 1 week, it's down this week, but that's fine because look at the month, 500%. That's ridiculous. 3 months, 3,000%. Like, come on, guys, come on. Low market, it's been going up. The chances it's gonna keep going up are pretty high in my opinion, right? But anything can happen. Same thing. I would go here, see if there's any events coming up for Veracity. Once again, I don't know if anything like that is coming up. So there's the view and reward system, the mobile apps, etc., right? So there is some things coming up, right? I would just look at it so that way I'm able to time the market. If I know an event's coming up before other people do, I would invest in that coin, go all the way to the event, and it's either going to go up higher or people are going to sell it, right? So just be prepared for that. Then I would come here, VRA, type it in, see what people are saying, right? Same thing, look, number, it's trending as well. Just keep going, right? See what the price targets, what people are saying, etc. Everybody just talks on Twitter, but some of these accounts hold value, right? If a big account says it, that's typically a good sign, guys, because they're gonna keep shilling the coin, right? SHILL, shilling, right? Or SHILLING. Anyways, they're gonna keep shilling the coin, which is a good sign for you, right? You look at what's going on. It says VRA has officially patented their proof of tech, right? So then you would click it, check it out, make sure everything pans out. That means it's a good sign, guys, that this coin's going to keep trending. So this is how I typically find the coins, guys. Hope that helped for you guys. And I'm out. Peace.